Hello home bakers and welcome to DrMummyCakes. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious, super moist, tasty chocolate cake. Just look at that, so beautiful, paired with chocolate buttercream. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For your chocolate cake, these are the ingredients that you need. If you check in the description section, I have a full list of the ingredients and the quantity. You will also need 2 bowls. You're going to be mixing the dry ingredients in one bowl and the wet ingredients in the other. And for this recipe, you do not need a cake mixer. We're going to be using a whisk. First, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients in one bowl. So your plain flour, brown sugar and granulated sugar, put it in the bowl. Measure your bicarbonate of soda, your baking powder, as well as your salt, and add all of that to one bowl. Next up, measure your cocoa powder and add it to the bowl, and that's all the dry ingredients together. Use your whisks to give it a nice stir to combine all the ingredients together, and now you set this aside. Next, we're going to start mixing the wet ingredient. So I use coffee flavor in my recipe. Now it won't give your cake a coffee taste, but it will enhance the chocolate flavor. So I would encourage you to try this out in your recipe. You mix espresso powder with hot water and pour that in your bowl. It makes your cake absolutely delicious. Next up, add in your oil. So for my recipes, I like to use sunflower oil, but you can use any other type of oil like vegetable oil. Just don't use any oil that has a very strong taste. Otherwise, this will show up in your cake. Next, add in your milk. So your milk should be at room temperature. Don't use milk that is straight out from the fridge, as it would affect the final product of your cake. Now whisk together all the ingredients until it's nicely combined, or combined as much as possible, remembering that you are mixing oil as well as liquid. So you're going to add in your other liquid, which is the vanilla extract. As always, I recommend that you use good quality vanilla, as this will give your cake a very nice flavor. Then add in your eggs into the mixture. If you are one of my many subscribers, thank you so much for supporting DrMummyCakes. And if you haven't subscribed, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button, which is showing at the bottom of your screen. And don't forget to tick the notification bell. I post a new video every week and you don't want to miss out. With DrMummyCakes, you'll be learning how to make great cakes in no time. So the final step is to mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Pour in bits and mix. You want to be mixing nice and gently until all the lumps of your dry ingredients are nicely incorporated into the batter. To start off with, your batter will be quite gloggy and hard to whisk, but just trust the process. Keep adding more liquid into the batter and mix nicely, and then you'll start to see that your batter will start to come together. So I'm just going to show you all the steps and let you see how your batter transforms. Pour your batter into your pre-prepared cake tin. So if you don't know how to prep your cake tin, watch my video on this. You'll see that your batter is quite runny, and that's the consistency that you want to be after. Put it in the oven and let it bake, and voila, here is your beautiful chocolate cake all ready to be decorated. I use buttercream, chocolate buttercream to decorate my cake. You can use my amazing American buttercream recipe, which will be in the description section. Once you have made your cake, now it's time to enjoy. So I hope that you'll try this cake recipe. Thank you for watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Happy baking.